is my true face in the morning. And the meow meow is waiting for food. Look. Hello, Ming? Yes? What you wanting? And getting this food. Yes. Wait a minute. This is our every morning. Always chaos. Hoy! Why? Hoy! You come here. Pasok. Come here. This is Pedro. Come here, Kiara. Kia. That's the mother. Come. Kiara. Come here, Kia. She doesn't want to come. Yes, Mama Mingay. Ay, Akira. See? Oh, let's go, Apple. Come here. Yes, where is your plato there? Ah? Wait lang. Hi, Gamay. Hi, Gamay. Hi, Gamay. Good morning, Gamay. Hi, good morning. Nahulog ka, ah. Yes, Mama. Waiting. I know. Wait a minute. This is their table. Oh, sorry. Wait lang. Where's Mama? Ay, yung Mama Mingay. Yeah, you're hungry? This is Malia. Hello, Malia. And usually I don't give food. I mean, our dogs only eat once a day. It's only the cat that eats 3 times a day because they're still young. But when they are, getting older, it's gonna be twice a day. But for the dogs, they're only eating once a day. However, since this guy right here is still a baby, this is just like, look, this one. This is Pedro. He's like almost 6 months. This one is oh no, this is 5 years old, Aki. This is 1 year old plus. Shh. Are you coming? Oh, no. Come here, Pedro. This is the food. So that's Pedro. He always wants to eat in the morning. You see? But that guy, very tired because he has a lot of girlfriend. Hi, Gamay. You also want food, Gamay? And the family is very happy. Drink water, ah? You drink water? Ah? Okay, you share food there. Share food. Where is Makupa? That's them. Early. This is our outside world. Good morning, world. Thank you so much for this beautiful morning. Come on, Gamay. Let's go to your house. Go inside, Gamay. Inside. Pasok. You know? Okay, here. Hello. Why you look angry, Mama Mingay? You angry? Hello, Apple. You're so pretty. That's it. And good morning here. Look at the sun.